And I'm back. Is this recording? Mic is, and this is recording. Okay. So, yeah, it's been a while since I recorded. It's been like 7 hours. So I think we just finished the mod_rar thing. So that's our class file. And now we need to go and make our block file. So we want to go to new class, and then whatever you put here after this equals new, you want to put here. So it'll be block. For sure that block should be there. And then whenever your or block is titanium, then all that should be filled out the same way. Finish. And now we have our block.titanium right here. That might have fixed some errors here, did it? No, it doesn't look like it did, but we will figure it out later. So now you should have this package thing. That's where the package is. Package net, is that right? Don't think it's supposed to be that. Package net. Isn't it one word? Oh well. Okay, so now you want to do that import java.util.Random like we did before. So import dot, is it dot? Is it? No, it's import java.util dot capital, that's a slash, dot capital RANDOM. Let me just make that longer. Or put a space there, and then we want to put a semicolon. Yep. Go over here. Yeah, so you want to go public block, then your block's name, so titanium, and then you want to hit parentheses, int space I, comma, int, no, it's like par1 and par2. So par1 and int par2. I think. Let me just go check that. Yeah, par1, par2 stuff. We have two. Look what these ints are. They are variables, and we have two variables for our block, but wood seems to have only one, so that's why it only has par1. Yeah. So you want to do a squiggly? No, not there. Here, so squiggly. That's not right. Why isn't it right? Okay, so you want to make a super class now. So super that par1, comma, par2. Then you want to, comma, then you want to put in what kind of material this is. And titanium is a rock type material, so it would be rock. As you see here, it tells us, gives us a whole bunch of little whatchamadoodles, things, whatever he's called, I forgot. Class files or options for this. So this is a rock. I think that there's supposed to be a space there. Hit enter again. Hit a squiggly bracket. No, squiggly bracket's already there. So you'll want to go to the squiggly bracket, hit enter. Uh, public. Public what? Public. Uh, int. So variable ID. No, not UD. ID dropped. Then I think you want to type in your variables. So par1 and is that it? Yeah, par1, comma, random. And what we're doing here is we're defining our block. So you want to do random random. The second random has a not capital, lowercase r, comma, par 2. Wait, it'd be int par 2. Yeah, int par 2. 1. And then, is that right? Seems not to be right. Getting a lot of errors here. Import random, no, that's not class. Method. Okay, whatever. Now you want to do return mod underscore, then whatever your mod class is, so mod roar dot titanium dot block capital IDs semicolon. um Getting a lot of errors here. We're going to have to troubleshoot that. Public int quantity, I think. They spell quantity QUANT. Yeah. Dropped. No, comma, parentheses, random, capital R, dumb. Um, Random again, lowercase. No, 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 stop being dumb. Go to the end of your little phrase and make a semicolon. No, not a semicolon. Squiggly bracket. And then return 1 semicolon. That seems to be our only not a error. Wait, now that we have the titanium thing done, did we lose any? Nope. Okay, let's see. What's wrong here? Okay, found the error here. Should be add name, not register. That seems not to be the fix of this little problem. Mod loader, is that right? Dot add name parentheses. Oh, we didn't finish it. No. Well, that's in parentheses, quotes. So that's in quotes. We haven't finished it still. What is it? I think you have to put your block's name, so sure, whatever you've been using here. So titanium. Is it equal sign or probably comma? Oh, I fixed it! Add recipe. Doesn't like that. Change to add recipe. Create method. Modloader.add recipe. Did I spell recipe right? R-E... Oh. Wow. Capital R. Set block name. Dot set block name. So what's wrong here? Maybe spaces? No. Hmm. I'll be right back once I figure this out. Okay, so I can't figure out what's wrong here. I've retyped it a bunch of times, but still not making any sense there. But I've fixed some problems here. There should be a space there. I'm just referring back to one of these. Use int I and j there, so. The reason why I use I and j is because I couldn't get this to work the first time, so I went to go look for a tutorial on YouTube, and that guy said for some strange reason that he should be using INJ, but Notch and Mojang and all that poop. For blocks we use pars, so I'm gonna use pars. So there should be some space. Yeah, spaces here, here. Okay, idDropped, then return mod space. And titanium still doesn't like to work. What's wrong with public? Oh, public quantity. I keep forgetting spaces. Why is that? Random. You don't like random? What's wrong with set block name? What is this gonna do? Think just did something stupid and it's lagging. Don't you shut down on me. Don't you not shut down. Oh, what the heck? No. What did it do here? Doesn't look like it did anything, but set block name doesn't seem to be its favorite thing right now. Now what's wrong with these? I think I have to put the int, but nope. Part 1, part 2. Material.rock. You know what? I'm gonna use this super class here. And just change all the pars. Like, maybe that guy was right. For my other mods, par seems to work, but here it's not. You should be an I. You should be J. Yeah, it still doesn't like this. Just trying to put these all in the same spots. For more or less, it is. Titanium. Block ID. Oh, I think yeah, I did. That's probably, not enter. Dang it. Probably the reason why that didn't work. It's referring to back and forth. Why is rock like that there? Hmm. I'll be back. Okay, I can't figure out why that's not working. These two randoms aren't working. So, I've opened up another one of my mods. This is a lot more different. Set block name. Let me... Space? Is that what you want? No. No, you have a space. Set block name. That is correct. That mod, there's a lot more along the lines. Okay, you know what? It's just taking me off now. Screw it. What did I change? No. Did I change anything? Okay. Oh, no. Okay, so now just minimize that. Get out of that little thingy. Go into your MCP and look for something that says recompile. Recompile it. Shouldn't take long. Usually takes about a minute for me. So, for the first time, since this is opening, I'll let you see all the details and stuff of what's happening. Cannot find server sources, that's normal. We don't have 2 errors. 2 errors. What line? Line 3. On what mod? BlockTitanium, line 3. How's that? What are you talking about? We only have 2 errors. Or enu import Java. Hmm. Hmm. File open block. Hmm. Is underscore now emerald deal. Let me copy that. It looks the exact same to me. Oh my god, no it doesn't. Control save. Now let's try recompiling. So right after this recompile, I'm back with 1 error on my mod underscore roar dot class. It's on line 3, so same thing. Why didn't I check that? One more. Okay, so 1 more error. Okay, so in the BlockTitanium, line 7. Why don't you like that? Okay. Object in class object cannot be applied to given type super. What's wrong with my super class? You need to let me use this super class. Super. Spell that. Space? Do you want a space? Did I fix it? No. It's the exact same stupid thing as this. You know what? I am really ticked off with this. Control C. Control V. Okay, I'm not using an emerald. In this mod, I'm using titanium. So I'll change that. I would. Maybe there was a spelling error. Titanium, titanium. It seems to be spelt right everywhere, so. Wait, Control F. Emerald. Replace with titanium. Place all. What? Okay, you know what? I'm befuddled beyond belief. I have no clue what's happening right now. What's happening here? What's the difference between these codes? So what were the errors on? Line 7. You know what? Just screw this. I'm gonna put this code into the description. Let me put that into a little file so I don't forget. I'll put that into the description, and you guys use that. Got it? And if I figure out why it's doing that, I'll also put in the description. If not, whatever. Whatever. And it fixed all my errors. What the heck? Maybe it's this I and J thing. Maybe I was doing something that was for 1.2.4. Because all my modding knowledge revolves around 1.2.4. I think we're in the 5th one now. So let's recompile. So yay, no errors. Okay, so just hit any button, then go to Start Client. This will be really weird if this doesn't work. What was my recipe again? Dirt. Oh my god, I thought this pound was part of the recipe, so I thought I would have to go get a crafting bench. But no, I just need 4 of them. What? Mods? Maybe it's mod loader. Okay. Oh! That's why. God, I'm an idiot. Now, we have to go and make a texture. So just go to whatever program you use. For textures, I use paint.net. You could go and use some awesome program like GIMP that I was going to show you, but it just doesn't want me to. So just go to, it'll be easier if I go into the MCP folder and do this. So you want to go to temp, I think it's bin, Minecraft, then there's a terrain file. You put the terrain in, you zoom in, you don't have to do this, just, you know, it'll fit more. How do you move around the picture? What does really matter? No. Right there to there. Hit Control C, and then you want to go to File, New, 16 by 16 pixels. Hit Control V, and then your little things right there. What color is titanium? Be right back. Okay, so I finished my texture. Titanium seems to be black and grayish color, so it's a lot like coal, just made it more bold. So just save that in your MCP folder or anywhere you want. And just like save. You know what? I'm gonna have to move this eventually to my modding folder. So I'll just put in my modding stuff. So textures, and then let me make a new folder. Titanium. And you want to put it. Oh wait, no. Then open up this, and you want to make sure it's the exact same as that. So copy it and put it in there. Save it. Hit OK. It's done. Don't save. I'm just gonna save that one more time, cause yeah. This is this MCP? Yeah, I think it is. Now go to jars, bin, Minecraft.jar, open with, WinRAR. Wait, let me just see if this has my mod and stuff in it. Does it? Base mod doc. I don't know if it does. But yeah, let's go put this in. Textures, titanium. Let's drag it in there, hit OK, it gets put in. Then you want to go back to your MCP. Restart your client again, should work, hopefully. Yay! Create a new world. Doesn't really matter. But any of the settings just need a world. Hopefully this isn't laggy as poo. If it is, I'll record it with fraps. No, it's not that laggy. Just get 4 of them. 4 dirt, because that's what I use my recipe. Then I. Oh. It's E. Did they change that? Yeah, there's your titanium ore. Hit I again. Let's go somewhere dark. I can show you the lightness, or just dig a ton on the hole. I'll show you the lightness of this block. I don't think I put it on. I did, but that's the block. And to mine it, you need a tree pick. So wood pick. So yeah, that's it right there. Don't believe that it was, and it's just like coal. Here is it again, titanium ore. You keep forgetting to press E. And yeah, that's it right there. Looks a lot like coal, but oh well. So yeah, thanks for watching episode 2, and yeah. How do I